chapter, that is speed, distance and time. Clear? So now then we write the formula speed into time will be what? Meter per second, and the time will be second. Clear? If the speed is given, the unit of speed will be kilometer per hour and unit of time will be hour. If anything is different in this, in the question, distance is given in meter, speed is given in meter per second and time is given in suppose hour, then you have to change that hour into what? Second. Okay. Now from this formula we can derive two other formulas also. So speed, if speed is asked in the question, then we write distance by time. And if time is asked in the question, if time is asked, then what we write? We write distance by speed. Okay? So one very important thing is here that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This is you should know. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Clear? So these are to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. Then there is something very shortcut that will help you to do in the calculation also, and that will help you in saving the time also. Clear? So suppose it is given 20 kilometer meter per second. This you have to convert it in what? This you have to convert it in kilometer per hour. How will you convert? So remember, when you have to convert this meter per second into this kilometer per hour, what we do? We multiply the given number with what? We multiply the given number with 18 by 5. Okay? And so cancel it. 5 4s are 20. You have to convert quantity that is given in the question in meter per second, and you have to convert it in kilometer per hour. What will you do? You will multiply that quantity with 18 by 5. You will do the calculation and then you will get the answer in kilometer per hour. Okay. Now next, if you have to convert, and all this, one request to all of you, all this that I am doing it here, please note down in your copy. That will help you to understand also later on. Clear? So please note it down. These examples also, you please note it down. Now, if it is given 36 kilometer per hour, change meter, how will you convert this per second? So just opposite, you will multiply with what? 5 by 18. Clear? 2 times 5 to 10. So 10 meter per second. Clear? So 36 kilometer per hour. This 36 kilometer per hour is what? Equal to 10 meter per second. How? We multiply the given quantity with what? 5 by 18. Okay? So this is very important. Okay? Now let's start doing the questions. Then all the concept will be more clear. So let's start the question. I hope all you a train covers 51 kilometer in 3 hours. 51 kilometers in 3 hours. Calculate its speed. Okay. How far does the train go? How far does the train go? How far does the train go in 30 minutes? Okay, this is the question. Now, a train covers 51 kilometer. Kilometer means what? What is this? This is the distance. Yes, this is distance. In 3 hours means this is what? Time. Calculate its speed. So first we will solve the first part. So speed will be equal to what? Distance by time. What is distance here? 51 divided by 3. So 17 kilometer per hour answer. Okay. Now how far? How far means what you have to find out? You have to find all the quantities given in water. All that quantities given in kilometer, hour. Okay. So 30 minutes will convert it in what? Hour. So 60 minutes is equal to what? 1 hour. So 30 minutes will be equal to what? 30 minutes will be equal to 30 by 60 hours. Okay. So 30 by 60. Speed we will use this one only. Okay. Because this is the part of this question. So for finding the distance, speed into time. What is the speed here? Speed is here 17. What is time here? 30 by 60. So how many times? 10, 3, 10, 6. So we have 51 by 6. Okay, 51 by 6. Distance is here. So kilometer. So 51 by 6 means what? Divide it. 8s are 6 8s are 48. So 6 8s are 48. Then 49, 50, 51. 3 is there. Put a decimal. Then 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. And 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30. Clear? Once again, 6 8s are 48. Then 3, 49, 50, 51. And 6 5s are 30. So 8.5 kilometer answer. I hope you all have also got the same answer. Those who have not got, please copy down the correct process. As I am doing, you also note it down. Because I cannot wait that you all, when you will copy down. I cannot wait for your copying the solution. So as I do, you all also do it in the copy. And then you can check easily your process, your answer. Traveled the distance between two towns. The distance between two towns. Okay, which is 65 kilometer per hour in 2 hours. Which is 65 and 10 minutes. Okay. Find his speed in meter per minute. Find his speed in meter per minute. Okay. So a motorist travel the find his speed in meter per minute. Clear? So what we have to find out here? We have to find out the speed. Clear? We have to find out the speed. And what is given? Yes. What is given here? It is given in what? The speed is given. Because here it is given, so this will not be there. Only 65 kilometer. Yes. So it is given here that a motorist travel the distance between two towns, which is 65 kilometer in 2 hours and 10 minutes. Find his speed. Better than here, it will be kilometer because this is the distance. So write 1000 meter. Okay. Then 2 hours 10 minutes. So this 2 hours 10 minutes we will change in minutes. 2 hours is equal to what? 120 minutes. And this 10 minutes we will add, then it will become what? 130 minutes. Now we will find the speed. So speed is equal to distance by 130. So cancel it. How many? 100 meter per minute. So if you know the basic that I have explained first, if you know the basic, then according to the question you can easily solve without making mistake. Okay. To the next question. You all have also got the same answer, and those who have not got, you must notice that where you have made the mistake and you have cleared it out. Now next question is, a train travels 700 meters. A train travels 700 meters in what? 35 seconds. 30 seconds. What speed in kilometer per hour? We have to find out the speed in what? Kilometer per hour. So first we will find out the speed in what? Meter per second. So speed will be equal to 700 by what? 35. Clear? And what we do when we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour? We multiply the given quantity with what? Kilometer is bigger unit. So 18. When we compare 18 and 5, then 18 is bigger. Clear? So 18 we will write first. This is the way to also. So multiply this 5. We have to convert it in the bigger unit. So now 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. 0. Then 7 5s are 7 2 0. Can we cancel any other number? No. So it will be 360 by 5. And 360 by 5 means what? Yes, we can cancel here. 5 4s are 20, we can cancel. Yes. 5 4s are 20. So 72 kilometer per hour answer. This is very easy. Okay. So in each question you will find something different. Clear? Same type of question I'm not going to do. Different type I'm going to do so that your concept become very clear. Now next, a racing car covered A racing car covered 600 kilometer in 3 hours 20 minutes. In 3 hours 20 minutes. Find its speed. Find its speed. A car, how much distance will the car cover in 50 seconds? Cover in 50 seconds. What? 3 hours. Clear? You do it. Complete your work also without wasting time. So please do. Don't waste time. A racing car covered 600 kilometers in 3 hours 20 minutes. Find its speed in meter per second. Means you have to find its speed in meter per second. So, and how distance will the car cover? Which is better to convert all the unit. 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. We have to convert it in water. We have to convert it in the seconds. So 3 hours means 60 into 60. 3 into 60 into 60. Into 108.00. Clear? This is water. Seconds, and in this we have to add 20 minutes. 20 seconds. 20 minutes will be equal to 20 into 60. So 20 into 60. This is equal to 1200. This much. So this is what? This second is the time. So total time is this one. Total distance is this one. So speed we can find out. So speed is equal to distance. Distance is what here? You all also please do it. And time is what? Okay. So now meter and second. So cancel it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 6 2s are 12. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 means 0.5 meter per second. Then the next part is how much distance will the car cover in 50 seconds. So speed is here. Time is, you can find out the distance. So distance, speed into time. So 0.5 into 50. We will put decimal here. So finally we can write 25 meter. Answer. Clear? Of course, the level is slowly, the level is what? Increasing. So you are also no need to worry. Just do it. As I am doing the sum here, you are also do it now. What will happen? Your concept will also become clear, and you have to do the sums. Now only you do the sum with me. Okay? I don't know. In that question, the distance was given. I have written 6 kilometer. I have solved the distance. Please note it down. Rohit goes 350 kilometer. Rohit goes 3 kilometer. Find So speed will be distance by time. So 350 by 5 means what? 70 kilometer per hour. And second is what? The distance covered by Rohit in 6 hours. Distance in 6.2 hours. So distance will be equal to what? 6.2 into, this is the time, and then speed. Speed is what? 20. So when you have to find out the time taken by him. Time what? 210 kilometer. To cover 210 kilometer. Okay. So how will do? Time is equal to distance by speed. 430. 350 is the distance. Sorry, distance is given here 210, and speed, which one we will take? 70. Okay, so this and this cancel 3, so 3 hours. Okay, so this much is only for today's class.